Hello and welcome to another episode of latest update. The topic of discussion is ISRO grows crops in space. ISRO successfully germinated cow pea seeds in microgravity during the PSLV C60 POEM-4 mission. The experiment was conducted using the Compact Research Module for Orbital Plant Studies. It marks a major advancement in space agriculture and extraterrestrial sustainability. Drishti IAS Mukherjee Nagar classes has now been shifted to Noida, and the offline batch for IAS GS Foundation course covering both prelims and mains, the admissions are open. The English medium batch is starting from 9th of January 6 p.m. while the Hindi medium batch is starting from 16th of January 11:30 a.m. For any query or for more information, give us a call at 87501. 87501. Key features of the experiment. The crops payload was developed by the Vikram Sarabhai Space Center. It is an automated system designed to study seed germination and plant sustenance under microgravity. For this experiment, 8 cowpea seeds were placed in a controlled closed box environment with precise thermal regulation. The module incorporates cutting-edge monitoring technologies to track and analyze plant growth in real time. These include high-resolution camera imaging, oxygen and carbon dioxide concentration tracking, relative humidity measurement, temperature monitoring, and soil moisture assessment. The germination of cowpea seeds in just 4 days, with leaves expected to sprout shortly, marks a pivotal moment in space exploration. Significance of the achievement. This breakthrough holds promising implications for future space missions. By demonstrating the viability of growing plants in extreme conditions, ISRO is paving the way for advancements in space agriculture. This achievement not only bolsters India's standing in global space exploration, but also brings humanity closer to the dream of thriving beyond Earth. Now it's time for the practice question. What was the primary objective of the crop experiment? Crop production on Earth, germination of seeds in microgravity, climate change mitigation, or soil testing in orbit? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe. And do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.